guys, welcome to the Earth Medicine channel, and I just wanted to do a little continuation on the loofah vine update, so let's go check it out. I made a video a few weeks ago, about a month ago, about pruning your vine, and then I made a video a few weeks ago about what's eating your vine and how to trim it then too. So now this is the result of after pruning and then trimming, and now the loofahs are starting to grow. And I mean, it was probably about 15 minutes to 2 hours each time I was out here. And the vine is just flourishing, so many flowers. Let's check out all the baby loofahs. I found a whole bunch yesterday. There's the one here, we got one here. Let's see, oh yeah, there's another one here. We have lots of wasps and bees pollinating, helping the process along. Oh yeah, here's a big one. Here's a big baby. So amazing. And then I made a little DIY trellis for them to grow along. I just used some garden wire. Might be kind of hard to see. There you go. Squatting in the shade because it's pretty hot outside right now. So there's an update on the loofah vine. It looks beautiful. That vine is over a year old, and now this will be the second season that it is growing loofahs. And I use absolutely zero chemicals. I don't do anything to get rid of any of the bugs. I just give my plant some love and prune it back sometimes, and it flourishes every time. So I hope that helps you guys in your loofah ventures. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Send me an email and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.